EU AB Italian Social Security, 2,850 euros to embark. Have a requirement of about 66 seafarers, and these must be Europeans. For Italian flag, Rorros, 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons, trade between East Spain to west of Italy, Mediterranean weather all around, and you have Italian excellent, perfect crew on board. It's not required English, but it is required to have the safety of Italian language. Please apply urgently. If you are on board a cruise ship tired of these selfies and massification, if you are sailing around the planet and you want to be close to your family, either in Spain, in Italy, if you are from Croatia, from Romania, European, then also if you are on board now, South Pacific, North Pacific, South Atlantic, North Atlantic, but you want to be close, if you are from the Mediterranean areas, close to your family, if you are on board the small little ships like 3,000 ton ships, barcos muy pequeños, yes, very small ships, then if you want to apply in Candina now, it is a huge opportunity because this company has 22 big, huge Rorros, state of the art, very modern, and this is the right opportunity. The first 60 to apply will get the jobs, and the others will have to wait. You need to have certification 2.5 or 2.4, and we will give you Roro experience. Although if you do have Roro experience, let's say 12 months or 18 months, you have a priority to join. Thank you very much indeed. Please like and subscribe and tell all your groups of social media about this opportunity, because if you are from Croatia, from Italy, from Spain, from Portugal, France, even if you are in the Northern Europe fleet, you want to have a better weather, better smiling people. Italian people are very nice people to work with, always smiling and very positive, nice weather, Mediterranean, tranquil waters. So applying Candina now urgently. Thank you very much indeed. Bye. Arrivederci.